Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday we have the 2026 Subaru Uncharted. Designed for drivers who want versatility beyond the pavement, the Subaru Uncharted blends compact utility with all-weather capability and everyday practicality. Whether navigating changing road conditions, weekend escapes, or daily commutes, dependable braking plays a major role in maintaining confidence behind the wheel. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads and GeoSpec coated rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, delivering smooth pedal feel, quiet operation, and stable stopping performance across a wide range of driving conditions. Built for consistency and durability, these components help the Uncharted stay controlled through both urban driving and more unpredictable environments. GeoSpec coated rotors provide corrosion resistance against moisture, dirt, and seasonal weather, helping preserve braking performance over time. OE-specific fitment ensures proper installation and reliable service for technicians. The result is braking that feels composed and predictable, supporting the balanced and capable driving experience Subaru owners expect. DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, helping distributors simplify inventory while allowing service teams to complete brake jobs efficiently. DFC proudly supports the 2026 Subaru Uncharted with a complete braking solution, pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for durability, reliability, and OE-level performance. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.